Shalom, Rainicorns. It's Ellie here. And just so y'all can see me, hold on. Okay. I am walking in the dark right now. So I just wanted y'all to see that it is me. And so I am walking, changing locations. I do my best when I'm like in an area where there's people. I do my best to not be in the same spot for too long. The spot I'm at now, there's not a lot of traffic, so I feel like I might be there for a minute. All depends. And if y'all see that, the lightning has been flashing a lot, like while I've been walking. And Abba told me to start recording now. I was already planning on doing a part 2, simply because I recorded the other video early in the day. And so I'm going to explain that sequence of how that happened. And so, Feast of Tabernacles, today is the day of restoration. And I was very, very angry earlier. Had a whole situation go on, and then it literally brought down the rain. It rained for probably maybe an hour. Got a good drench. I stayed in my tent, as y'all saw in the video, and that was it. There was a spiritual confirmation that the war is over. You know, it's very much Shango Oya energy, and if you're unfamiliar with that, look up Olodumare and the Orishas. The information about that is on my channel on the community tab. And so it was a confirmation for me that everyone got the message. Even though y'all saw that, right? Even though my video has not been uploaded, the ones who needed to get the message got the message. And it's been lightning, as y'all can see. The light that's going to come now, that's a car light, so that's not going to be lightning. But the lightning just happened again. It's been lightninging for like almost the whole time I've been walking in the darkness, and there hasn't been any thunder. So that's what I'm saying. I'm like, okay, you know, that's not usual. That usually when there's lightning, there's thunder. Yet I've been walking, and it's just been constant lightning, just flashes, constant flash. Another one right there. And I'm like, okay, at first I thought it was like a broken street light or something, but like a broken street light can't follow me a quarter of a mile. So, you know, I'll probably get a download of what that means later. Whatever you think it means in the comments, you know, you can let me know. However, yeah, I'm in a better place. As far as better, what I mean is deeper in nature, deeper in the country where I can be around animals, farm animals, and some wild animals. You know, some domestic animals, that stuff. And it's just less people, less distractions, less intentional negativity. You know, animals, they can do stuff. However, it's different when animals do stuff and when people do stuff to you. If an animal does something, usually it's out of self-defense or because they're scared. I don't really come across animals that like get jealous of random strangers, you know? Maybe if you come into their house, but when you're in the wild, like, animals don't usually do that type of stuff. However, people just kind of let negative entities take over them, and, you know, envy and jealousy become a thing. And that's why I have to seclude myself during this period of time. And maybe I can go back to regular society after the Feast of Tabernacles is over. Who knows? This is it, you guys. I talked to my little brother before I lost battery on my phone, and he was like, "Have you heard about the nuclear war?" I was like, "Yeah. I've been telling you guys that's been a fight between the Pleiadians and the reptilians. The Pleiadians have been trying to get out of the deal that the reptilians set because they, didn't read the fine print that the reptilians had set up. And so the reptilians are trying to keep them in a contract that they didn't necessarily agree to. They signed it, but they didn't agree to all the terms because, fine print sort of thing. That particular type of allegory. And then the war in the third dimension manifested into potentially a nuclear war. And so, yeah, and the United States is involved as always. And so, keep it positive, you guys. Always continue to work on yourself. Like I've been sharing with you guys, we're over